All right, stepping into the snow. Ooh. All right, I don't even know where the sidewalk is. I guess this is it. Whoa. Gonna take a little walk. The storm of South Carolina, July 16th, 2020. Sleet, snow, freezing rain. Woo. It is cold. Woo. Everything is covered. And this is supposed to go on at 7 p.m. tonight, 8 p.m. Since midnight yesterday, well, this morning. Let me get out of the way, cars coming. They didn't wave back, they're a zombie. Whew. Had to come out here and see what all the fuss is about. It is really, really cold. And being that this is kind of a little bit of sleet, it stings your face because it's hitting you. Like when you're on the beach and there's a lot of wind and the sand is hitting you and stinging. Unfortunately, though, this is nothing like being on the beach, where I would really prefer to be. But just coming out here and taking a little bit of a walk in this little winter wonderland. However, this is reminiscent of my days in Connecticut, which I thought I had left behind. So, not enjoying this one bit. But I think I can deal with it. If it's only once a year, and we haven't had anything like this in about 6, I guess it's okay. You changed your mind? You changed your mind? Okay. Oh, my hubby. I guess he was gonna join me on this little winter wonderland walk, but he wasn't ready. I mean, we don't really have the equipment that we had when we were in Connecticut, all the warm hats and ear muffs and gloves and scarves and all of that. But I mean, I got some warm clothing on, but it is cold. It's really cold. Oh, look at that poor little cow over there having its lunch. Oof. Well, the cows still come out. Oof. They're hungry. Whew. The wind is kicking up a little bit more, so I am heading back home turn on the fireplace. And I think I'm gonna make some soup today. Today is definitely a good day for some hot chocolate and some soup. Maybe some mulled wine as well. That sounds like a plan. Oh, we got a loan car coming, making its way slowly down the street. Okay. Whoa!
I want to see it melt.
That's the cocoa ball.
Melting. It's not melting. It's melting.
It's melting.
Yay!
Oh, look at that.
I want the chocolate.
Salem got a cocoa ball.
I need the chocolate. I want to have it.
That's not what you do with a cocoa ball. What you think?
What do you do?
You drop it in there and it has marshmallows in it.
Do you mix it or no?
Yeah,
You have
in a
to mix
minute.
it? Okay, so you need a spoon, Salem. In a minute. Now?
Whoa!
Look at that chocolate.
What? All right, you got to put some in mine. Look, put a little bit in mine. There we go. Now I'll have some too.
Yeah, está bueno. Put fruit and nuts. I'm going to buy Polish has it.
Tastes minty.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Huh? Well, is it not good?